let's let's evaluate following expressions. 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 square into 1 plus 2 to the power 4, 1 plus 2 to the power 8, 1 plus 2 to the power 16 into dot 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 up to 1 plus 2 to the power 64 plus 1 whole divided by 2 to the power 120. Now in the following expression, if we look, there are three parts. Okay, the first part is the multiplication part. This is the first part, this is the first part, up to this, and this is first part plus 1, and third part is this. Okay, now we have to simplify this equation. Okay, so if you look into these expressions carefully, then you will find there is some pattern. Okay, the pattern is something like 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 square, then 1 plus 2 to the power 4, then 1 plus 2 to the power 8, 1 plus 2 to the power 16, and so on. Okay, so we have to simplify these equations. So there is a pattern something like the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, up, then 32, then 64. Okay, so let's check. First we have to rearrange this number 1 plus 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, so this 3 we can simplify 3 as 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Got it? Then so the if we replace the value of 1 plus 2 by 2 to the power 1, then the following expression will becomes like this: 2 to the power 2 minus 1, 2, 1 plus 2 to the power 2, we can write 2 to the power 2 plus 1, 2 to the power 4 plus 1, 2 to the power 8 plus 1, 2 to the power 16 plus 1, 2 to the power 32 plus 1 into 2 to the power 64 plus 1. Okay, first I am simplify this part. Okay, this part. So so first part we can easily evaluate this 2 to the power 2 minus 1 plus into 2 to the power 2 plus 1. So if we apply this formula like a plus b into a minus b, this will become a square minus b square. Okay, so we can implement these two part as the algebraic expression a plus b into a minus b equals a plus b square. Okay, so if we apply this one for this first two part, then it will become like a plus b into a minus b, that is 2 to the power 2 square minus 1 square. Then following are remain same: 2 to the power 4 plus 1, 2 to the power 8 plus 1, 2 to the power 16 plus 1, 2 to the power 32 plus 1, and 2 to the power 64 plus 1. Okay, so first part will become 2 to the power 4 minus 1, a square minus b square, again 2 to the power 4 plus 1, and so on. Okay, so if then again we can apply this formula as 2 to the power a plus b into a minus b. So that means it will again it will become as 2 to the power 8 minus 1. Okay, then next term is 2 to the power 8 plus 1, 2 to the power 16 plus 1, up to 2 to the power 64 plus 1, and this is the first part. I am just considering for the first part, right? Then again we can apply this part, this application formula. So if we apply going forward So that will become like, let me clear this part. So that means ultimately the last term will becomes like 2 to the power 64 minus 1 into 2 to the power 64 plus 1. Okay, so for the first expression will become like this: 2 to the power 64 minus 1 into 2 to the power 64 plus 1. That means 2 to the power 128 minus 1. So after simplifying the expression, the first part will becomes like 2 to the 28 2 to the power 128 minus 1. So that means the total expression will become, the first part will becomes like 2 to the power 128 minus 1. This is the plus 1. The second part was plus 1 divided by 2 to the power 120. So that means 2 to the power 128 divided by 2 to the power 120. So that means 2 to the power 128 minus 120, because a to the power m by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. So that will be 2 to the power 128 minus 120. It's mean 2 to the power 8. So if we break this 2 to the power 8, then it will become 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 6, that is 16 to the power 2, that means 2 to the 256. So that means the total expression, after simplifying the expression, it will become, the value of this expression is 256. Okay, so that's it. So if we, that, okay, so that's it. So that means the total expression, the value of this equation will become 256. Okay, so that's it. So for the interesting type of videos, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified our latest and interesting videos on mathematics. Okay, thank you.